Nice to see you. Of course, maraming brand na lumalapit sa'yo. We wanted to know, anong meron sa Don Macchiato that parang you said yes, let's partnership?
Sobrang simple lang. Sobrang daling katrabaho ni Sir Mark at ni Miki. Yun lang, number one sa akin yun ngayon eh. It's the relationship, yung pinaka-importante sa akin throughout the years na natutunan ko. It's about the relationship. Sarap yung gano'n eh, kahit gaano kayo katagal magkasama, hindi lang pagkatrabaho ang turingan nyo, hindi magkakaibigan na rin. So, mahalagang-mahalaga sa akin yung gano'n ngayon, after all the endorsements. Friendship yung ano sa akin at tiwala, number one yun sa akin.
And how does it feel na ito ay milestone sa inyo dahil ito ay renewal, it's not just one contract, it's a renewal of partnership.
Just very thankful kay Sir Mark and kay Ma'am Miki dahil sa tiwala na patuloy na ibinibigay sa akin. And ayun lang, I'm just very happy to be a part of this family, this ever-growing family, Bossy. Congratulations.
Yung naman sa taga Don Macchiato, sabi niyo that the brand is going global, first in UAE.